And once the computer's back up, just go ahead and log back in as the Predict HD user. Once you're logged back in, go ahead and click on Start, go to All Programs, and Windows Update. Because we're going to have to keep checking for updates until there are no more updates to be applied. So once that comes back up, click on the Check for Updates in the upper left-hand corner to check for any other updates that might need to be installed before. Even though there might be one up, go ahead and check on that, and it'll make sure you get everything. This will take another second. The second update is usually what is referred to as Service Pack 2. This update is typically denoted by one important update, the size typically being between 35 megabytes and 343.9 megabytes. This update requires user interaction at times, so you'll need to be paying attention to the computer and what's going on. So when you're ready, go ahead and click on Install Updates, and it will ask you for the IPL-SYS admin password. Downloading the update will also take a little bit of time, so be prepared. Once it's done downloading Service Pack 2, it'll create a restore point, and then it'll look like it's sitting there doing nothing. However, what will happen quite often is the Service Pack 2 installation window will pop up behind the Windows Update window. So you'll need to go down to the system, to the task tray down at the bottom, click on the Service Pack installation, and then once that window's up, there'll be two buttons at the bottom, Next and Cancel. Go ahead and click on Next and select I accept the license terms, and then click Next, and it'll sit there and prepare the updates for your computer. After it's done preparing, it'll ask you one more time, are you sure? And then you'll just have to click on Install on that screen. When SP2 is done installing, the window will change and it will have the yellow box and then with the Restart Now button in there. Go ahead and click on Restart Now and let the computer restart. Now, once it's up again, click on Predict HD User and type in the password. And when it gets done, finishes logging in, give it a second, let it finish bringing all the programs back up. When you're logged in, again, just go to Start, All Programs, Windows Update. Once Windows Update comes up, go ahead and click on Check for Updates one more time and let it check for updates one more time and let it run. If it comes up in a yellow box and says there's more updates, go ahead and repeat the process and go through the steps of updating. Otherwise, if it says Windows is up to date, but yet it shows one optional update, it is safe to ignore that optional update. So go ahead and close the Windows Update. At that point, your computer is up to date with antivirus and all the patches that it needs to run SP-Sync. Now, it is safe to go ahead and go to Start, click on the little arrow, and go to Shut Down if you're done using it. Otherwise, go ahead and use the computer to do what you need to do.